Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube algorithms, a mysterious force that can either make or break your channel. Are you ready to crack the code and stay ahead of the game? Let's do this. Understanding the YouTube algorithm is crucial for creators looking to maximize their reach and engagement. It's like having the ultimate cheat code to boost your channel's performance and visibility. So, buckle up and get ready to unravel the secrets behind the algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is a complex and ever-evolving system that can leave creators scratching their heads. With constant updates and changes, it's becoming increasingly challenging to keep up with the algorithm's preferences and requirements. But fear not, we're here to navigate through this digital maze together. Let's delve into the key factors that influence the YouTube algorithm. Factors such as watch time, click-through rate, and engagement metrics play a significant role in determining the success of your videos. By focusing on these elements, you can optimize your content to align with the algorithm's criteria and boost your channel's performance. Now, here comes the juicy part, insider secrets on how to outsmart the YouTube algorithm. By focusing on content quality, mastering keyword optimization, and targeting your audience effectively, you can position yourself ahead of the curve. To wrap it up, remember that success on YouTube is all about adaptation and experimentation. Stay agile, keep testing new strategies, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment sharing your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that sub